back to the channel. Let's quickly discuss about the current situation of the market. Uh, yeah, before that, please go through the disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor, so read it carefully. Okay. So whatever the information regarding stock market, you can get all the details here. I think if you're a beginner, you can get a lot of information. What needs to be learned in the stock market, what process you need to follow. So you can get it free here. Okay, and also these are my indicator. You can use it also. So if you want a proper user guide for the indicator, let me know or comment in the video so that I can provide you the proper user guide. Yeah. So let's jump to the topic. What is happened in the market today? Let's see. Heat map. Okay, you can see Indian market due to global sell-off, or we can say that artificial intelligence effect. Uh, I think most of the Nifty Next 50 is totally there is a broad sector sell-off has happened. Okay, so let's see Nifty Next 50. Yeah, most of them are, I think, red only. It's a bloodbath today because it's around 250 to 300 point of Nifty fall today. Only thing is that some healthcare sector, I think it is going positive. We don't know what is the reason exactly. Is it the sector rotation or is it something big is coming and they're planning it? We don't know. We need to check until this year end so that we'll come to know. Uh, Okay, so this is what the heat map and what is happening with the US market. Let's see. Currently, Dow Jones and S&P 500, you can see it says going bit negative. Okay, this is also there is a gap down today and slowly it's recovering, it seems. Okay, so this is definitely tomorrow. Indian market will be negative bias, we can say that. Okay, but over the night, if any news comes, maybe we don't know what will going to happen, but yeah, this is what the current situation. And how about the Brent? Brent is trading at 76. It's coming down anyhow, but we can say a little bit of consolidation here. It is not the consolidation, uh, but the thing is, I think it's a downward moment only. Let's see. You can see it here. Okay, this is the resistance we are facing. Maybe it will go down. Okay, and how about if you can see quickly about this what is this? This crude oil, Brent crude oil. You can see this is a resistance, right? And most probably crude oil will come to this price around 60 and it will consolidate sometime. So if this level is broken, then definitely the next levels will be the bottom only. Okay. So this is what happening in the crude right now. Who will benefit for this one? The globally it is beneficiary for all the countries if crude oil is going down. That's mainly Iran and US war is going on. So based on their deal, the deal is going on. No, so based on the deal, this crude oil price will be decided. Okay, so I think you can see it's the deal also. It is almost at the end stage. Hopefully, it will come here and it will consolidate. So that is a good thing for Indian market as well, as we were discussing earlier as well. And also, if you can see, natural gas is also consolidating around the same levels from almost February. Okay, and what else? Okay, Nifty IT sector, you can see there is a sell-off, right? This AI is going on. So this is almost this level is tested. Only hope is that we will be recovering from here or not. That is what the question. But it's the weaker zone only. Already it is in the weaker zone. So if you can see in the weekly time frame, you can see it here. One, two, three. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. I think it is consolidating here. Maybe if we can consider the Fibonacci retracement from this swing to this swing, hopefully, I think 23,751 is the first recovery area. Else it will go to 18,000 or in between 21,000 also. There is a possibility of reversal. This is a IT sector. And what happens with the USD INR? We can see there is an interesting study I have made. Will check with you. Maybe you can see it here. I'm in a monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, when we were kids, right? You can see it here. This is around 2003. This is around 2008. Okay, and 2013. So I think this was the golden era for Indian market, right? From here, IT sector has taken a rally almost from I think not from these years. Earlier also it started for Indians, but most of them are from 95 to 1995 to 2000. So we'll be knowing that this about this IT sector, IT jobs, all those kind of things, right? So you can see how exactly it is consolidated on this area, and this is the consolidation around from what level we can see. Okay, this is around what is this? April, why it is not showing? I think 2000, yes, 1999, 97. Okay, almost from the 95, Indian people started migrating to US for the IT jobs. Okay, so the what I wanted to discuss is that okay, this was the area it is taken a breakout. You can see it here. When we were kids, I think we were knowing the software jobs around these areas, right? At that time, I think dollar value was 40 only, right? So this you can see it here, okay? And from here it has taken a rally. So continuously it's still not stopping. The interesting thing is that monthly time frame. So this is the Elliott wave if we are considering it. So it is in the third wave section. Okay, one, two, three. Yeah. Okay. This is in the third wave. Okay. So this rally is expected to be reach until this level. What is this level? Around 109 or 110. That is definitely, if it is rallying, that is definitely a bad news for India market, because if dollar is too much strengthening, it's not too much bad, but against dollar rupee, if it is collapsing or depreciating, then that is the worry point. Okay, whether dollar is going higher doesn't matter, but if it is going higher, obviously rupee will come down also. So I think we can see still we have a potential to go up to 10, maybe one pullback here, and it will go here, and it may come back to lower level. If we are considering the if it is in between, if it is made some top here, okay, any top, then there is a potential chance dollar will come down to this area around 54. It won't come to 54 because we need to consider all the inflation, all those things. Okay, maybe around some p-value, I think 80, 85 area it will come. That's all. Okay, so this is one interesting chart. We need to check it. What is happening with this? So Bitcoin is consolidating this area only. You can see it here. This is the area it is consolidating. Yeah, probably this is the much more clear resistance what we are seeing. It is a range market here only. So this range is very important. If it is leaving the range, then there will be a big movement on downside or upside. Okay. So this is what the scenario for Bitcoin, and also okay, natural gas, we can see we have discussed. Gold, what is happening? Gold is consolidating around this area. I think gold and silver will come down. There is much more possibility is there for gold to come down, because you can see this is already breaking the channels and it is tested properly. So I'm drawing the lines. Okay, let me know. But on a whole scenario, it is going down only. We can see it here. Okay, it is tested and it is going down here. Okay, and up to what else we can again consider it with a Fibonacci ratio. It is already there. It will still it will go down and it will consolidate here maybe. So if it is breaking these zones, if it is breaking, then definitely there is a weaker performance we can expect to the next levels. Okay, so there is a lot of time is there with us still. Okay, so this is what the global market scenarios, and in case of Bank Nifty, you can see this was the stronger performance I was giving till yesterday. Bank Nifty. Obviously, we know that, right? We can't expect to go market in a single line. It will go in a pattern, right? We know that Dow theory. So it will some profit book will happen, and maybe some consolidation. Then it will go up like this. Okay. So if it is a one case scenario, bull case scenario. If it is a bear case, again, if it is breaking the levels, then definitely it will go down. So let's discuss about VIX. What is VIX is happening? VIX is in the moderate zone only. It is not too much higher. So today, I think VIX rised around 9 percentage. So I think it is because of global sell-off news, I think. And also what is happening with the Gift Nifty, it is currently showing 200-point gap down. Let's see what will going to happen tomorrow, because it is because of this S&P 500 only. As discussed, we'll discuss about the overall market scenario. I will just switch to the area here. You can see. Okay, I will go to, yeah. So this is the weekly time frame levels. Okay. So if I wanted to draw the levels, let's see what is going to happen from here. I will extend the lines from here to here. Okay. And also we have some potential support from here to here as well. Okay. And if you are taking, I think this is the level can, yeah, I think can draw the parallel lines here. This one. Okay. Maybe monthly it will be very easy to draw these levels. You can see it here. Yeah. let's see what is happened in our market currently. So from my observation, this is just my study. So this is the fall year. This is the 2020, right? I think. Oh, sorry, this is the 2020. This is COVID fall has happened from here to here. Okay, and also market has taken this rally. Maybe I will draw path here. Okay, here from here, and it has rallied, right? It has rallied up to uh, this one. We can say. These are all minor corrections definitely will going to happen. So from here again there is a top has happened. You can see it here. Okay, so this is one condition we can see it here. So because overall market is still in a bull market conditions only, because you can see as per Elliott wave also. Let me just switch on this one. As per Elliott wave also, this is yeah, thing, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Let's see. Okay. As per Elliott wave also, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is going on. Okay. It is the consultation area, or we can say that this is the ABC structure has happened. So from here, if you can observe, there is one paint. Okay, highlight also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, right? So this is what we can expect here. And as per this one, I think you can see on a overall picture if you want to discuss from this fall again. Market as this is the area, right? I think, yeah, this is the area. You can observe it here. From here it is tested this channel. Okay, and again there is a minor channel has happened. Again it took a support of the channel and it went up. Now there is a clear channel from 2024 as well. You can see it here. This channel has been tested properly and it went up movement. Okay, but still Nifty is at this resistance only. This is the biggest resistance we do have, because there are a lot of FIS selling is going on in this market. Okay, so from here again you can see it here. This is one channel, we can take it. Okay, these are the channels of the market. Okay, so this channel is came down, tested properly, and it is went down. Okay, from here to here I will delete this channel. You can see from, yeah, here you can see from here to here market took a support of this line, but here it is broken, right? So this is what the people are expecting, that market uh, may take one second. I'll delete this one. Okay, anyhow I will go to this. Why it's not coming? Brush arrow. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll take this one. So this is broken this channel and it is tested here. Okay, so what is happening here is that again Nifty came to this channel. You can see it here. From here to here again Nifty went up, coming down, and it may take again to test the another time this all-time high. This is one probability of the market currently, and another probability, if it is breaking these levels and if it is breaking this level, then definitely that is a deeper correction in the market. Okay, so how exactly it will going to correct from here to here? If we can draw from COVID line to here, definitely we can see there is not much we can say there is no sudden fall of the market. Definitely as per the structure, if we are considering it, so it should break and it should test the levels again, and if it has to come down, it will go like this. Okay, maybe up to 50% it will go around 18,000, or it will fill this gap as well. Okay, so this is what kind of a second scenario. This is very least scenario, because our DIS are supporting our market, DIS. So definitely I think government is also supporting our market also. So there is much more coming to the uh, banking sectors as well, because government has given a lot of benefits to the banking sectors, or NRI loan lending also. Those consideration we need to take it, and uh, we need to we need to be optimistic in the market. Okay, but anything can happen in the market. Okay, so we need to be very careful. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to discuss quickly. I think I will delete all drawings here. Maybe we can draw the channel once again. This is one channel I will be discussing. Okay, this, see, you can clearly take this one, and also if you want to go for this channel, maybe another channel. Okay, this is confusing, but you can take this support now. So it is taking the support from the COVID line, and maybe it will go up. Okay, but if it is breaking this line, definitely I think that is bad news for Indian market. Definitely there is a much correction is waiting for this Indian market, because from here at least market should come here, then bull market will start. Okay, this is all requires a lot of time in the market. Another 2 to 3 years we need to say. These are all the scenarios of 2 to 3 years of market, or minimum 2 years of scenarios. Okay, again it can come test here, and it can come back to the lower levels also. That is also one more scenario. So in case of Nifty, if you are considering it, let's discuss about Nifty. I will choose this one. Okay, so currently I have considered in case of Nifty, I have considered this swing. Okay, So this swing, it is currently facing the exact resistance at the order blocks what we are seeing. Okay, so this is what the exact moment we expected. You can see, you can watch my earlier videos as well. So this is Nifty is at a critical junction from, I think, almost 2 weeks I was saying that one. Okay, so it is there is a big gap up has happened, and again there is a resistance around golden ratio. So this golden ratio again, we expected this resistance, and market is coming down. Hopefully, if we can see, this is the decision zone. Okay, this is the Nifty is at a decision zone right now. So if it is, you can see it here. Okay, if it is a bounce, then trend will be intact, and if it is breaking this level, trend is slowly weakening, we can say that. Okay, it should not break these levels. Okay, today anyhow it is hold by FIS, sorry, not FIS, DIS, I think. So this is what happened. So if it is breaking these levels strongly, then definitely Nifty strength will going to reduce. Again, there is a much possibility of testing this level, healthy levels, and then bounce back from here. Okay, so this is what the market structure is telling technically, but the thing is like still Nifty on an overall, it is in the uptrend only, we can say that. Okay, it is in the uptrend only. So bull market, it is still a bull market, overall bull market. That one we'll discuss now. So tomorrow, definitely, if we are considering it, okay, I will draw clearly the lines. Okay, so this resistance, this trend line, definitely it will go into first sign is that the decision level is broken. Then there is a much possibility of weakening in the market, but that is not 100% confirmation. If it is crossing this healthy zones, okay, so this is the healthy zones, you can see it here. If it is bounced from here, trend will definitely continue from here as well. So there is a much possibility that Nifty will come down to this point, and again it will take a up move. This is one scenario. Okay, again, if we need to consider all the scenarios in the market. Okay, and if Nifty breaking this healthy level also, this whatever we are seeing, this healthy level also, then it will come down in the channel, and I will draw the channel as well. What we are seeing, this channel, right? Yeah. So this channel, and again there is a possibility of facing the consolidation. Then if it is breaking this swing low, definitely that is a weaker market, and Nifty will definitely enter into the bear market. This is the another scenario. Okay. So this is what we need to consider, all the scenarios of the market, because we can't say that this is definitely going to happen in the market, but that is all predictions only. Based on some FIS DIS data pattern also, you can predict the market. Okay. So this is what happening, and if you're considering it, uh, let me just delete these lines. Okay, so this is what the short term moment we are observing it here. Okay, so I'm hoping that based on the structure what we are seeing it, definitely Nifty has respected the this swing as well, and also for this swing it is respected this golden ratio as well, and again we are in a proper structure. That's what it is following the proper structure. That's what I'm expecting. It will go down like this, and again it will take a upward moment from here. So that when that will going to confirm, once this level is broken out strongly, then only we can say that it is upside bias. But till now, it is the consolidation stage only. It is in the sideways market till now. Okay, so this is what on a broader picture, if you want to see, you can see it here. You can see my videos as well. We were discussing from this point. Okay, when we were around, I think starting of the May month. Okay, so we were discussing this is the biggest resistance on COVID levels. We can say this is the COVID levels. You can check out my previous videos. So I have drawn these videos. So I clearly told that there is a possibility of there is a resistance pattern here, because it was strongly broken and the buyers are trapped here. Okay, again you can see it, the market came up here, and buyers again got trapped here. Okay, so this is what this is very important resistance area. It needs to be checked thoroughly. If you want to check this one in the 1 hour time frame, okay, this is not there 1 hour time frame. We can't see it because I made it. Okay, anyhow, you can see it here clearly. Nifty attempted to break this level, and but it came down again, tested. Now, definitely, it is a downward movement from here. Okay, so will it going to fall from here? No, because we have a strong support as well. We have some gap area around this. Okay, probably market can fill this gap, and again heading towards this level. If it is breaking, then again we can consider it. This big candle what they have formed, it is a balancing candle. They will come to fill this candle. Okay, so this is what happening with the Nifty. So this is what my plan actually, and also we have some other free indicator. We can see a range flow, right? Finanja range flow will increase. Oh, in which range it is there? We can see it here. Will increase 400 from here. Yeah, you can clearly see it here. This is one of the finest indicator developed by me. It is free also. This smart Fibonacci retracement also, it is free. You can take it out. And one more indicator, as I was telling, Fibonacci MTF Fibonacci indicator. Yeah, I think exact name, check it, MTF, Fibonacci MTF, multi time frame levels, Finanja. this one. This is also one of the free indicator. This is the multi-time frame indicator where it will properly you can trade with a multi-time frame of Fibonacci levels actually. So you can see it here. Nifty has came around this golden ratio on monthly time frame and it is clearly reversed here. Okay. So this is very powerful indicator also. It will be helpful for you to trade positionally, intraday also, intraday levels also, and weekly levels also. You can get it easily. So you can take some decisions on this one as well. You can see it here. It is proven whenever it is the monthly is at the monthly level, it is strongly consolidated and taken a breakout. Okay. This is very powerful indicator, I will say. And again, you can see this is the Nifty weekly levels, golden ratio. So it is also reversed from here. Okay. So this is another indicator of myself. It is free. You can use it if you go to indicator. It will be free. And from this level also, you can see it here. Nifty has entered the bigger range level, but again, it is compressed here. These levels are compressed, and it becomes a biggest resistance now because it is you can see it from the chart. It is one top, again another top, then that's the reason it's coming down. Okay, so we should not think about the global noise, news noise. Okay, news also we should not think about it. If we are looking at the chart properly, we'll come to know some idea about what will going to happen in the market. I'm also making mistakes in stock market, but I wanted to share with you guys as well. So this is just for an educational purpose. So Nifty is entering this area. Probably this is the another support, so it will take up from here. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss today. If you wanted to know any topic, you can check out my Finanja website and comment also. I can come up with the topic as well. And also, yeah, I think if you need the custom indicators, all the indicators, users guide, maybe you can comment on the video. I will provide it. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.